Alright, we're gonna slow it down real quick, right? Can we slow it down real quick, then we pick it back up? Can we do that? Yes! Trinidad! Jamaica! Guyana! Africa! Dangria! Yeah. This one is called So So Ya Live, right? So So Ya Live means the winds, you know, coming from the sky, right? Are you with me? Say so. When I say so so, you say ya live. So so. So so. So so ya live. So so ya live. So so. I need the music in the front. I need music in the front, engineer. I need some music in the front. In the front. I need some more volume. There we go. Say yeah. Say yeah. Say oh oh. Say oh oh. Everybody scream. Watch this. So so ya live. So so ya live. So so ya live. What? Here we go. So so ya live. So so ya live. So so ya live. Nigga, umeno, umeno, umeno. Everybody. So so ya. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Everybody scream. Come on. One second. 1 second. When I say so so, you say ya live, right? Here we go. So so. So so. So so. So so. Win. And when I say bum bada bum bum, you say bum bum, alright? Bum bada bum bum. Bum bada bum bum. Yo, give me some soca tune, right? Give me some soca tune. Alright, cool. I want everybody to clap their hands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want everybody to clap their hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on, wait. Do y'all hear the music in the front? I need the music to come out in the front, fam, because the crowd is not hearing anything coming from the main speakers right now. Alright, do y'all hear me in the front? Do y'all hear me in the front over here? Yeah, sure? I just want to make sure everybody is satisfied. You satisfied? Alright, cool, give me the 2, let's go. You know what? I'm feeling hot. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Feeling hot. Yes, baby. Here we go. Feeling hot. Here we go. Feeling hot. Hey. Feeling hot. I want you to go back, baby. Go low. Everybody say yeah. Ole, ole. Everybody, I'm feeling hot. Sing it up, I'm feeling. Everybody, I'm feeling. One more time, I'm feeling. Everybody say yeah. Police, make some noise. Win. Yes, I. Hold on. All this, right? Can I introduce a new song real quick? Can I introduce a new song? This one is called You Ready, right? Let me give you a cappella, right? When I say you ready, you say hell yeah. It goes like this. Give me the breakdown. Here we go. Watch this. You ready? Hell yeah. You ready? Hell yeah. You ready? Hell yeah. You ready? Alright, you got it? You got it? Give me the introduction. Here we go. Introduction. Watch this. future generation. I love you, brother. All right, 1, 2, 3, hey. Next year, second lesson. My eye lesson, I got I got it. Open it close, lock it in. That's the way I put it in. Take it out, I saw. Hey, yeah, I have a question for you, for you. Oh yes, I have a mission. I love you too. For you, everybody sing it along. Here we go. You ready? You ready? You ready? Louder. You ready? You like it? You love it? You need it? Everybody say yeah! If you're having a good time, say yeah. I want to say God bless everybody for coming out here. Matter of fact, for coming out here today. I was about to say tonight, but we still in the daytime. We still see the sunlight, right? Yes, and if you believe in God, say yeah. Let me get to this real quick, right? Let's do a warm-up song real quick before we get into punta, right? Watch this now. Let's go, DJ. I'm ready. No, give me the balance. Give me the balance, give me the balance, yes. Also, these are the beautiful ladies from Belize. Yes, sir. We're gonna do this real quick. Let's go. Watch this now. I'm not saying why we on the road. Watch me balancing. Watch me balancing. Everybody's on the road. Watch me balancing. Here we go. Balancing. Here we go. Balance up. What? Balance up. What? We are going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 1. When I say help, you say yeah. Help, 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 help. Everybody make some noise. What? What? Come over here, come over here. Money down, money down, hey, money down, hey, money down. Come on, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, hey. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Say yeah. Say yeah. Say yeah. Say yeah. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Everybody scream. All right, cool. Time to get down there. Now let's get back to the punta, right? If you want some more punta music, say yeah. All right, cool. For those of you that's brand new to this, right? This is the punta dance, right? It's like a 4 basic step, right? There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, right? You go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You move your waist left to right, right? Goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's version 1. Or you can do version 2. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do another one too. Can I show you, or you want the music? I love you too, baby. All the beautiful ladies, make some noise. Give me punta. Let's go. Hold on. Wait, hold on, wait. Hold on. Let me introduce this music real quick. Sakuta Bay, right? For those of you that don't understand, right? Sakuta Bay means I'm feeling good. Right? So when I say Sakuta, you say Bay. Alright? Sakuta. Sakuta. No, give me that. And when I say I'm feeling, you say good. I'm feeling. Alright, cool. Can I do this like it, right? This flag right here represents this word called Garifuna, right? Do we have any Garifuna people in the house? Make some noise! So this flag is basically representing the whole Caribbean, right? Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, all the way in Central America, right? Caribbeans, we all the same. Trinidad, African, Guyana, we all the same. So a flag doesn't mean anything, but you know what? A flag unites everybody, right? And if you love yourself, and if you're proud to be Caribbean, make some noise! So when you see this flag, it represents for everybody, right? But Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, right? Caribbean's the same way, right? Alright, cool. Now let me get this last song real quick. Give me the last tune, right? The Wu-Tang Live. I want to try something with everybody, right? Because I know everybody's here want to dance, right? Cool. We gonna do something smooth, right? So, okay. Yeah, just be careful, mommy. Just be careful. So this dance is called Push It Back, right? This one is called Push It Back, Push It Back, Push It Back, Push It Back, right? Push it back. Then we gonna come to the front. Come to the front, come to the front, come to the front. Alright. You understand? You understand? You wanna try it? Can we try it? Because I don't want nobody to be shy this year, right? Everybody's here for a reason, right? We here for a reason, right? Alright, cool, let's go. Give me the punta. Let me get the ladies to come down here. Come down. Come down here. Come down here. Right here. We gonna push it back. We all gonna push it back, alright? You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Everybody push it back. 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 To the front. Everybody to the front. 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 Hold on. Take it out. I want this side to try with me, right? When I say push it back, I want everybody to push it back like this, right? Don't be shy and don't be afraid, right? Because I gotta get off stage, right? One more, alright? Can we try it? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Are we gonna push it back? Are we gonna push it back? Alright, there we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Everybody push it back. 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 To the front. 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 Alright, go down. Go down. Take a look. Take a look. Take a look. Take a look. I know. I know. I know. I know. I bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Everybody scream. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. God bless everybody. God bless everybody. Right? I got my abu out. I got my abu out. Right? I'm gonna throw it up in the air. Whoever catch it. Whoa. Whoa. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Damn. Yeah. All right. I got a few more. Hey, I take it the whole package. A few more. Come to the
Lil June. That was a good performance, bro.
Thanks, man.
That was a very good performance.